right, you've got a safe here in the closet. You also have an iron and plenty of closet space, an extra blanket. And that's right next to the entryway door here. You've got a nice makeup area. And right over here, we've got the bathroom. Okay. Show you the got a wonderful vanity. Now in here they do give you makeup removers, aloe soap, some body lotion, shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. So not bad. There's also some aloe soap over here. Fantastic shower here. Got a nice shower bench. Alright, come back this way. Full-size mirror. I don't want to see what's in behind that though. Okay, you've got your king-size bed. You've got a sofa over there. Alright, so they do give you the ice bucket, and you've got 2 water bottles here. They do supply you with some coffee, of course cups, a little bit of creamer. Okay, and we do have your mini fridge here. Also got some space for some, looks like wine bottles. Plenty of drawer space here. And of course, you know, they've got phone, they've got some chocolates, more drawer space, nice big window. And then same over here. And that is a king suite on the 12th floor here at River Spirit Hotel and Casino.